Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexingview Journals. I hope you're all well. I'm here with an unboxing. I don't know if you remember, we had an unboxing. We did an unboxing some time ago. It was last year, and it was from Your Creative Studio. They have a monthly subscription box, and today I'm going to show you their October box, the past October. I've been waiting to open this until the video, so it was quite exciting, and I haven't opened it, so we're going to do the unboxing together. And it's always nice to receive these lovely boxes, subscription boxes. I do receive quite a few of them, so I love using them in my journals. I love using their images, their stickers, and stamps, and everything else that they've got in my journals. So let's begin with this one now. First of all, I love the boxes. They're great size, and I reuse them. And they always come. They're so strong. They always come. They're never damaged. They're great boxes, and I use similar boxes when I post my journals as well. I think it is really important to have a good box. It's the fun of it is that you can actually archive your stickers and everything else in this box and keep it there. So that's an idea. Anyway, it's as you can see, it comes with they've got their lovely card there and a thank you note from Your Creative Studio. They've got this. It's all beautifully wrapped in this paper. And I will try not to ruin the paper. There's a lovely thank you note from them. Pretty card. Yes, it's all the fun is when it arrives and you open it up. Let's have a look at what is inside. It's a sticker. Everything I usually open everything very carefully so that I can keep and use all the papers and everything else, because everything has a use. They all come in these pretty little packages, these pretty little sachets, and they're I always save those as well. You know, I save everything, and they're of use for all sorts of things, little ephemera and different things that you want to hold on to. Some washi tape, and I love washi tape because I use it everywhere. Very useful. It's a lovely. This box is a box of cooking ephemera, and there's a lovely stamp. The stamps are so well made, and I love the idea of having cooking ephemera because I need them. I haven't got any cooking ephemera, and it will be nice to maybe make a vintage cookbook or something like that and use them. We'll see. It's something that I had in mind for a while. There's a nice this one's a piece of cake with a cherry on the top. So, and again, the actual stamp quality I think is fantastic. There's a little booklet here. It's quite thick. So there it is, and there are lots of fun images in it, lots of ephemera, which can be used again and again because it's a few of the same as well. So if you're very fond of one, you can use it again. So that's fun. And it's not all related to cooking, so you can use it for all the other projects as well. And this one is actually not related to cooking. And here is a little box, and let's have a look see what is inside this little box. Pretty food stickers, which again, anybody who's making a cookbook or a cooking journal, or cards, recipe cards. lots of stickers. These are rub-ons, and if you have used rub-ons before, you know what I mean. But they're great on. Actually, they have a completely different feel on the paper. They are almost. They've got this transparency that is lovely, especially on coffee dyed paper. So you just rub them with this little spatula. Yeah, very fine paper. I love these because, again, you can use them over projects, and they give a transparency to the images. So yeah. And here are some more images, some stickers. It's got a little zipper there, so I can unzip it and put them back in again afterwards, so they don't get lost or misplaced, because they're small. These ones, they're smaller, and they've got all the different kitchen utensils and all sorts of fun things to use. And finally, I've got these, which are lots of lovely papers again that can be added into the journal, as you know, on pages. And I love these colors that they have, this light kind of orange and pastel colors, earthy colors, because they're the colors that I like using in my journals. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and we will be talking again soon with a new project. I'm going to list the information down below of your creative studio. Thank you. Bye bye.